Well, good evening and welcome back. If you were curious how things topped out across the region, actual totals ranging from 1.58 inches at the campus in South Kingstown of URI. In Attleboro, 1.14. At the airport, we're at an inch right now. Westerly, 0.81. New Bedford, 0.71. And Newport at 0.66. So far, we are, of course, continuing to add to it out there. Not only do we have the rain that's been coming down locally heavy at times, but we also have some patchy and locally dense fog, and that may slow things down if you intend to go out this evening. Our temperatures are cooler, much cooler than average. We've been holding pretty much in the lower 60s and upper 50s along the coast, and our average high for today is 70. So, of course, we did not see that. An item that's going to become of significance tonight is wind. We are right now bringing in air from the south with occasional wind gusts that have been near 30 miles per hour, primarily out by the Cape. But because of the southerly wind direction, we actually have water that's going to be pretty high at the Fox Point hurricane barrier over the course of the next couple of hours. Just an item of note. We do have reduced visibility, of course, with areas of patchy and locally dense fog, and that's not going to change as we go through tonight, too. Now, here's a close-up look at our rain that's coming through. Occasionally, we get these areas of yellow and even knots of oranges. Those are the more intense areas of rainfall. And right now, we are getting pretty much a break from those, with the exception of the Newport area and also edging into New Bedford. You're getting into that darker green. But as we zoom out, you can see what's going to happen. We have this strong cold front to our west, and we have that coastal area of low pressure that's been with us all day long. And they're going to merge over southern New England overnight tonight. So at that time, we're going to see the energy from this coastal low get infused into this front. It's going to increase rainfall rates, and it's going to give us a chance of thunderstorms for the overnight too. In fact, our severe outlook is for just regular thunderstorms, non-severe thunderstorms. We're not expecting anything twisty or turny, but yes, we do have the chance of seeing locally really heavy rain as the system moves through, as well as an increasing wind. So here's the front as it moves through during the overnight. And you'll notice it's just a river of those oranges and reds. It is going to be rather intense, this rainfall, as it moves through. And again, winds will be picking up as the front moves through to gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Of course, even higher if we happen to catch any thunderstorms. But it is a fast mover. By the time we get to tomorrow at 7 a.m., we're going to be doing some clearing. And in fact, if you sleep in, you'll miss the clouds. And we're looking at a mostly sunny Sunday. So, yeah. Why not sleep in? Get to the sun for the Sunday. So how much more do we have to go through? Well, we have the chance of picking up even more rain overnight tonight. Totals will likely be an additional 1 to 2 inches. And of course, if you see a thunderstorm, your totals are likely going to be even higher. So it is a fairly significant rainfall event. And our concerns do include the potential of some localized flooding. Some basements may be at risk, and also debris that could cause clogged drains, leading again to some urban flooding. That's, the big puddles on the roads. So yeah, a lot going on with this system. And you know what? Once it goes by, we're going to be sunny and dry for an extended stretch. So we're going right back in to that dry trend that we came out of. We do have a rainfall deficit before all this rain started of more than 1.5 inches, and it looks like we're going to make that up. But then we're going to go right back into that dry trend that should take us into next weekend with plenty of sunshine. Nick?